Hi everyone, this is Himalaya Mustafa. I hope you are fine. I am fine, okay? My today interesting topic is about food groups. There are 5 food groups. I hope you will enjoy my topic. So let's start it. Food groups are classified on their nutritional properties. They are fruits, vegetables, grain, meat, and dairy. Each of the 5 food groups shares same nutritional properties. A healthy diet includes certain number of servings from each food group every day. First group is fruits. So let's start it. Mango, oranges, plums, peach, grapes, guava, banana and apples are all fruits. Most kids like fruits, which are usually a good source of potassium, fiber, vitamin C and water. These nutrients help protect us against diseases like heart disease and stroke to some cancer. They are necessary for healthy body, and to control muscles. Our next food group is vegetables. Cauliflower, turnip, tomato, cabbage, eggplants, pumpkin and okra are all vegetables. Vegetables are usually a good source of fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin A and vitamin E. These nutrients are good for healthy eyes, white blood cells and skin. These nutrients help protect us against diseases like heart disease, stroke and some cancer. Our next food group is grains. So let's start it. Grains are also called cereals. Wheat, rice, corn, barley and oat are grains and sometimes includes potatoes. Grains are good source of fiber, iron, potassium and several B vitamins. Grain foods include bread, pasta, noodles, breakfast cereals. These food give us energy that we need to grow, develop and learn. These food provide fiber for protection against heart diseases and vitamin B helps with the nervous system, production of blood and helps in preventing sickness. Whole grains, pasta and bread give us longer lasting energy and keep us feeling fuller for longer. Now I have some top tips for you. First top tip is choose fruits and vegetables at every meal and for snacks. Our second top tip is fast fruits to move dirt or chemicals.
To remove
Dirt or chemicals and leave the fruit's skin on because the skin contains nutrients too. Our next group is meat group. Meat is a good source of protein, vitamins and minerals which are important for our muscles and body growth. Protein we eat is used by our body to make hemoglobin. Protein builds, maintains and repairs the tissue in our body. Muscles and organs like heart are made of protein. Now we are going to discuss about sources of meat. Fish is a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. We should aim to eat at least 2 portions of fish every week, 140 grams each. Choose from fresh, frozen, or tinned fish.
टिंड वाली फिश.
Red meat. Red meat includes beef, lamb, and camel. etc. Eating too much red meat can increase the risk of bowel cancer. Some types of meat are higher in fats. Fats can increase blood cholesterol level, which can cause heart disease and stroke. Now another top tip. It's important to know how to cook and handle meat safely. Now we are going to discuss other sources of protein. Eggs are good source of protein, vitamins and minerals. They are good choice as part of healthy balanced diet. Nuts and beans. Beans and nuts are usually a good source of protein, iron, vitamin E, zinc, potassium and vitamin B. Now we are going to discuss about pulses. Pulses are things like beans, peas and lentils. They are a good source of fiber, vitamins, minerals and are naturally very low in fats. They add extra flavor and texture. Means you can use less meat. This reduces the amount of fat. This reduces the amount of fat you're eating and also means your money will go further too, as pulses are usually
cheaper
than meat. Our next food group is dairy. Dairy food includes milk, cheese and yogurt. Calcium fortified soya milk is also in this group. These foods are high in protein, calcium and vitamin D, which helps to build strong and healthy bones and teeth. Milk is also a good source of protein and energy for babies. We should use all kinds of dairy each day, like tins of milk, cheese, slices, or bowl of yogurt. Our last food group is water. Water keeps us healthy and hydrated. Hydrated means to absorb water. Our body loses water all the time. Water can be lost from breathing, sweating, and going to toilet. We should drink plenty of water throughout the day in order to stay hydrated. Water is healthiest drink for children over 12 months. It's also the cheapest. Most tap water is fortified with fluoride for strong teeth too. I hope you enjoyed my topic. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon.